Today I'm going to show you how to make a lemon drizzle cake. You will need 175 grams of self-raising flour, 175 grams of margarine or butter, 175 grams of caster sugar, 3 eggs, 75 grams of granulated sugar and 1 lemon. You can substitute the lemon for 3 tablespoons of lemon curd and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Firstly, prepare your tin for baking. So I am using a loaf tin. It's a 2-pound loaf tin and it's 23 centimetres by 12 centimetres. I have just greased the sides and lined with baking paper. Firstly, in a bowl, cream together your caster sugar and your butter. Then add your eggs and mix well. Then, if using the lemon, grate the zest of the lemon into your mixture. If you are substituting, at this point add your lemon curd. Then add your self-raising flour and mix really well until well combined and a nice cake batter is formed. Then put your cake batter into your pre-prepared tin. And bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for about 50 minutes to an hour until a skewer comes out clean. While your cake is baking, we want to make our drizzle. Firstly, juice your lemon. Then add your lemon juice to your granulated sugar and mix really well. Then once your cake is baked, while it is still warm, you want to poke holes in the top of the cake and then pour over your drizzle and leave to set. And there you have it. That's how you make a lemon drizzle cake.